Ems. So this is the Eachine EAT14 1/14 scale brushless RC buggy. I've got my little girl Emma controlling it there. She don't want to be on camera, so she's going to take it for a little spin. This thing is quite twitchy, we must admit. It's not the smoothest of RC vehicles, but fun nevertheless. So take it away, Ems. I'm driving it one-handed. So do some high-speed runs. Yeah. Ems. Ems. Right, so that was a proper crash, so let's see exactly how strong this little thing is. So as you guys know, it's a real well test. If something goes wrong, I'll tell you. So let's have a look. Turn the steering. Okay, so as you can see, we've got a little bit of damage there. The bumper has cracked a little bit. So let's pull it down, give it a little bit of an inspection, and then I'll come back. So after inspecting it a bit more closely, hopefully you can see the thing is actually proper destroyed. I'll take the battery out. Let's quickly get my little girl to hold the camera over the car. So as you can see, that was probably full power into the wall over there. So what it's actually done, it's smashed the diff case. Try and keep the camera straight. Smashed the diff case there, but also totally buckled the four-wheel drive shaft. Are you getting that? So yeah, game over for this one. Bit disappointing because it was the first ever run. But it is what it is. It's part of the hobby. That's what happens when you crash stuff, and it's not extremely durable. But it just goes to show, guys, these things are cheap. They are good fun, but they're not ultimate bashers like Traxxas, Tamiya, Lossy, HPI, Armour, stuff like that. As you can see, the receiver is also broken. Hopefully though, that's not going to be totally destroyed. Hopefully it's just the case and stuff like that. So yeah, definitely the end for this one. Bit disappointed on its very first run, but it's not so much a problem with the actual vehicle. That was down to user error. If you don't smash it into a wall, it's not going to break. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you for watching. Happy RCing. Bye bye.